Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can use font style. There's your style right here. Microsoft Word document. Yes, very important. If you notice right up at the top, in the ribbon is the word style. So we're going to look and see how one we use it. Alright, so I'm going to block the first paragraph. You notice right here, it said normal right here. Right, so no space, heading 1 right here, heading 2. You notice? Font style. But if I come right at this pointer right here, notice how the text is like. Each one I put on it. Notice it's actually different. Does the same, right? So definitely I want to make some adjustment. I can actually create a style right here. Can apply style right here. If I come right here and click on this one, you notice how this one actually stay. And if I come and block this second one now, I can actually go to a different section where I can actually put it the way I want it. Just the same. You notice can actually get up a big like that. Can say no space with it right here. Right, and if you come like that and click, definitely you notice. So you can actually get a name, you can modify it and then click, you can click OK. Alright, if you notice, definitely. Yeah, so this is where you can actually use style right here in your document. Right here, right? So definitely you can actually lock it, put whatever style you want and you notice this one change. Yes. Alright, if just the same. Yes, very important. So this is the way you actually change style right in the Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.